So in regards to Cardano ADA, you can obviously see we've had a pretty nice pullback from that resistance that we did get stuck under. I did say if we couldn't break this area here of resistance, we were probably looking at having a bit of a pullback, because you can obviously see we've had two very nice impulses to the upside here, but you can see we were starting to run out of steam at that 0.38 Fibonacci at around 60 cents there. And you can see we've had a pullback now down into that region that I did say was probably quite likely at first. That 50-cent area would be a big psychological support. You can see here obviously we've got some previous levels of structure here which were causing a little bit of resistance. Quite a decent area of structure actually, sitting at around anywhere from around that 60 or 70 cents area here. You can see previous level of resistance that has still resistance in this area, but with this very nice parabolic move that we saw, you can obviously see a bit of capital, I think, rotating back into Bitcoin, with Bitcoin heading up yet again. But you can see Cardano here, it's obviously come down, it's come into that region of that around 50 cents, and it's currently sitting there looking like it wants to get a bounce. We wicked down to around 46.5 cents there, and I did say in my previous Cardano video that probably we were going to come down and retest this area here. You can see we've pretty much, I would argue, pretty much retested this high, although it's hard to know. We have got a decent bounce off that area, but this whole area of previous structure here hasn't really been back tested yet, and we could see ourselves heading deeper into this area if Bitcoin does have a little bit of a rollover, or if altcoins do start to continue to sell off, even from the recent little sell-off we've seen this week. But overall, things still looking fine in my opinion. Cardano looking really, really good. It's nice to see it making some actual back-testing market structure so it doesn't get too parabolic. There's really not that much to complain about here at all, is there? And you can see the targets, as always, will just be the Fibonacci levels. If we roll into the downside for a true back test, that 41 cents 023 Fibonacci would be a perfect little support. And bounce into the upside, obviously, that 038 at around 60 cents, getting back up into this area here and continuing is what we want to see for Cardano going forward. So overall, absolutely fine. A little quick update just to say we've had a little pullback, which was necessary and I think healthy. And it seems like we might get maybe a little bit more of a pullback over the next few weeks, unless we see Bitcoin just absolutely moon. Obviously, there's a lot of ETF potential drama that we could see as well. So a lot of things going on. But it's exciting, isn't it? It's very exciting.